very good evening. This is Abigail bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. The Salesians of Don Bosco of the Provincial Delegation of Nigeria, through the support of Missiones Salesianos of Madrid, Spain, are engaged in the project to supply drinking water to 5 poor communities in the north of the country. During the programs to raise awareness of poor families for the prevention of COVID-19, the Salesians realized that most of the area's villages did not have a clean water for basic use and for regular hand washing, essential for avoiding contact with germs and infectious diseases. The meeting of the rectors and economists of the Salesian Provinces of the Vice Province of Africa, Congo, ACC, took place from 15 to 18 September to plan the new 2020-2021 pastoral year. The meeting was presided over by Father Manolo Jimenez, Superior of the ACC Vice Province. On 19 September at the Salesian Mission Center in Warsaw, Father Tadeusz Jarecki, Provincial of the Warsaw Province PLE, presided over the Holy Mass for the sending of 4 missionary volunteers. Monica, Ola, Dominica and Jakub will go to Kenya and Zambia in the coming days. Many missionary institutions due to the pandemic need not only material help but also personal. From 17 to 19 September 2020, the meeting of the Salesian publishers of the America South Cone and Inter-America regions took place via video conference. It brought together those in charge for the sector from Mexico, Venezuela, Ecuador, Bolivia, Brazil, Paraguay, Peru, Chile, Argentina. The event was chaired by Father Gildacio Mendes dos Santos, General Councillor for Social Communication, with presentations by Father Hugo Orozco, Councillor for the Inter-America region, and Father Gabriel Romero, Councillor for the America South Cone region. Also present was Marta Palomares, Coordinator of the Salesian Publishers in Europe. In the Don Bosco parish of Cuenca, the Salesian Vladimir Garcia was ordained a deacon on 19 September. The ceremony was presided over by Monsignor Alfredo Espinoza, SDB, Archbishop of Quito and Primate of Ecuador, concelebrated by Father Francisco Sanchez, Provincial of the Salesian Province of Ecuador, and his vicar, Father Angel Lazo. Salesian Missions. The Salesian Mission Office of New Rochelle has joined humanitarian organizations and countries around the world in commemorating the International Day of Peace, which is celebrated every year on 21st September. The General Assembly of the United Nations declared the International Day of Peace as a day dedicated to fostering the ideals of peace among all nations and peoples. This year's theme is Shaping Peace Together and invites everyone to celebrate the day by spreading compassion, kindness and hope in the face of the global pandemic. All over the world, Salesian missionaries have responded to the needs caused by the pandemic by providing assistance programs to young people, children and their families. On the occasion of the International Day of Peace, Salesian Missions highlighted the humanitarian and programs which are capable of changing the lives of many young people. Dream and make people dream. This is the motto of ADMA's 30th Marian Day held in Turin on Sunday 20th September, with about 400 participants including adults and young people. A somewhat special day because it was marked by the handover of the animation of the association from Father Pierluigi Cameroni to Father Alejandro Guevara. And atmosphere of celebration and gratitude marked the event with moments of participation and emotion, such as the delivery of beautiful photo album and Marian stoles. Renato Valera, president of the ADMA, coordinated the day, underlining how Mary Help of Christians always accompanies the association. The Don Bosco Development Society (DBDS) of Mumbai, India province is running the Urban Slum Education Project aimed at assisting marginalized and deprived children from slums of Vadodara city in learning and acquiring knowledge to improve their scholastic performance. A total number of 510 children are benefiting from this project financed by Kinder Mission's work, Aachen, Germany. Ms. Jagruti Patel, DBDS coordinator, supervises the project activities on daily basis. Every day, 510 children in the age group of 6 years to 16 years attend physical or virtual classes. There are 286 students undergoing learning through online classes using Google Meet and Classroom. 224 children are attending physical classes. The classes are held in small batches. Sharing his views on the project's progress, Father Rolvin De Mello, Executive Director, said, "We are committed to provide full support to children during these unprecedented times of humanitarian crisis. No child would be left out of education due to COVID-19 pandemic. This project is very important for shaping the future of the children. It's only education that will bring about remarkable change in their lives." He further assured that in all the events conducted, social distancing and proper safety measures were followed. In addition to this, all the other government compliances were strictly adhered to while doing these activities. The Don Bosco Development Society of Salesian Mumbai Province, as part of their Recovery Assistance Plan, is implementing spice making and marketing project for the women in the slums of Vadodara city, with the basic aim to help these women come up after the economic setback caused due to the coronavirus pandemic and thus bring about a sustainable development in the lives of these women. This project is financially supported by Mix for Kids, Germany. Father George Miranda, Project Director, along with Ms. Jagruti Patel, Project Coordinator, are supervising the operations of this project. The Don Bosco Development Society, in association with Don Bosco's Meghalaya in Mumbai Province, is currently implementing education and medical care project in Vadodara city. The aim of this project is to provide educational and medical support to street girls and boys below 18 years of age living in the slums and at Don Bosco's Meghalaya. Father George Miranda, Project Director, along with Ms. Jagruti Patel, Project Coordinator, are supervising the operations of this project. This project is financially supported by Mix for Kids, Germany. America Social Salesiana is a network of Salesian works throughout North, Central and South America that fosters the work of the congregation, especially among the poor and most abandoned young people. There was a virtual network conference that took place from September 8 to 10. About 50 members from this network were in attendance from 14 different Salesian provinces. The members included Salesians, lay people, delegates from youth ministry and delegates from the option for the poor. Overall, this conference helped evaluate the strategic 2014 to 2020 plan. They were able to assess the management of the resources given by the Rector Major, which allowed them to reflect and strategize on the need for better communication and formation amongst the network and all the provinces. We have come to the end of today's edition. Thank you for being with us. See you again tomorrow at the same time and in the same channel.